everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be doing a Walmart haul, quick Walmart haul. So I just got home from work. Finally, I'm home already. It's been really busy today, weekend, so a lot of customer going into the store. They're doing shopping for weekend shopping, so it's really busy today. We have paper towels. Only have one left, so I decided to grab just in case or run out. And toilet paper, the big pack of toilet paper. I think this is like kind of like $24 something. We have a huge blanket. This is on sale already for $10. It was like $35, the regular price, but now they're on sale for $10. And the blanket is really nice and soft. And this is the like huge blanket, XL blanket. And also we got Ayla's milk, so she's almost running out of milk, so I pick a can of milk. And also we have curtains because it was on sale for $8. It's already 2 curtains inside, so it's like a good deal already for 2 curtains for $8. Actually, I bought 2 of these a couple days ago, and I decided to grab another one to like double it to the windows because the windows is facing the sun every morning, so it's a little bit bright when like the sun hits the window. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna double the curtain so that it's like not like very bright in the morning when Dan and Ayla is still sleeping, because Dan don't like the bedroom super bright when they're sleeping. I use the like 33 inches curtains upstairs, but this one is 24 inches. It's a little bit long for the window, but it's fine. I'm gonna work with that. And what else we have? And also this cute little wall decor is so cute. Star Wars Baby Yoda. Actually, this one is on sale already for $1, like 50 pesos in the Philippines. So cute. I love Mandalorian. I love Mandalorian. And also I got a paintbrush. I'm not gonna paint or something. I think this is good for, I'm gonna try it for my eyebrows. Maybe this is better brush for my eyebrows when I'm doing my eyebrows, because the brush is so nice and super thin. And also I got 4 extra brush that maybe I can use it for liquid eyeliner to do my wing liner. If you can see it, but I like how it's super thick and like nice brush. Maybe this is better than the eyebrow brush that I have, so I'm gonna try it. This is actually not for makeup or painting our eyebrows, but this is for painting, like arts and crafts. But I think this is nicer. I'll let you know, guys, if that is nicer to draw our eyebrows. It looks really nice brush though. And last one we got, because we're out of butter, so I got this original normal size of butter. And also we have a coffee creamer, so we're almost out of the coffee creamer that we have. But we use this kind of coffee creamer, but when I look at it in the store, there's no stock for this. So I don't know if Dan gonna like this one, so I picked this coffee creamer because they don't have the great value one. We like this one, but they don't have it in stock. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you'll know notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!